बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मेरा नाम इमरान बशीर है। आबिद Khan साहब, one of the top podcaster in Birmingham, he's with me. Thank you for your time.
No problem, sir. Thank you for having me.
What's the Alam Rock situation now?
Alam Rock situation, यार, unfortunately वो जो कल हुआ है उसके बाद it's not a pretty picture. और आज मैंने देखी है जो मुसलमानों के खिलाफ जो तंजीमें काम कर रही हैं वो उन वीडियो का मजाक बना रहे हैं, ठीक है ना. So it's a sad state of affairs. It's actually really upsetting कि हमारे जो लोग हैं, हमारी जो portrayal है is rather negative.
What make you say maybe the reform UK is correct?
या वो लोग कहते हैं ना कि इन लोगों को पीछे रखो. They're not worthy of positions. They're not worthy of this. ये अगर इनको position मिलेगी तो ये कर देंगे, ये वो कर देंगे. So maybe we are proving them right, aren't we? By this kind of behavior, it's not very. It's not a good reflection of our community. We have some fantastic people within the South Asian community in some really high positions. Why is it on this level? This is what we've become.
So do you think we are giving too much importance to the councillor position?
Personally, yes. Yeah. What's the salary of a councillor?
Roughly 20.
What's the job description of a councillor?
Keeping the streets clean, tidy up. Local issues, basic local issues.
लोगों की बातें सुनना, लोगों से हर रोज कोई ना कोई ताना सुनना. Yes, you're never able to please anybody. It's not a very I won't say satisfying job, but it's not a very rewarding job. I don't understand the fascination. I don't. मुझे ये लगता है कि हमारे लोगों का बस वही है कि हमें टाइटल मिल जाए, ठीक है ना. Because if you understood what the role of a councillor is, you wouldn't want to do it. Why would you want to do the role of a councillor? £20,000 to get abused, to clean the streets, to kind of do all the stuff that everybody else doesn't want to do, and you still can't keep people happy.
And what is the current election situation in Birmingham?
Interesting. So I've obviously interviewed quite a few, and it's very hard to predict which way it's going to go. I think there'll be a few independents who are outshining the most. I think that there may be possibly a few Lib Dems. I'm not too sure about Labour. I think there is a general consensus that people are now fed up with Labour. But you never know what happened on polling day. You just never know.
What happened in the Alam Rock and how it may affect the community?
I don't know exactly what happened, but from my understanding, somebody approached Abid and asked him for an apology. He said, "Fine, I will apologize." And then from there, things escalated. So it seems to be escalated for no reason at all, because you've asked him to apologize. He's agreed to. And then it's just spiraled out of control. And obviously, if there's a gathering of people, छोटी सी बात भी जो है ना वो बड़ी हो जाती है. लेकिन हमारे लिए अफसोस की बात यह है कि there's a scene created, there's police coming. मरियम भी हमारी बहन लगती है, नोशी भी हमारी बहन लगती है. So our daughters, our sisters are involved in this ruckus, which doesn't need to be.
Abid made some remarks on your podcast.
Yeah.
Do you think you also have some responsibility? You could cut it. You could say, "Okay, hang on."
I can't cut a live.
Yeah.
I can't cut a live.
You try to stop.
You can't cut a live.
Yeah, you should. Yeah, definitely.
And there wasn't only one live. There was 3 lives going on. Not just one. There was 3 lives going on. And I cannot cut a live. Anybody who edits knows I can't cut a live. We are not here to kind of embarrass anybody. My podcast was to present the people of Birmingham with the facts about what the candidates are pledging.
So in future,
no, I won't change my voice.
You won't change?
Why should I change my voice? You're a journalist. If I say something wrong here, are you going to edit it?
Well, at the end, it's my policy because we are not live.
Yes, it's slightly live. If it's live, then you can't edit it.
You can't. Yeah.
So, and it's. There's nothing that I could have done different.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. What results are you expecting after 7 May?
I don't know. Yeah, I really can't call it. Very interesting. People, I think, are extremely confused. People still don't know which way to go. I think 615 candidates is an awful lot of candidates to choose from. We have 7 parties. So, which way do you go? Who do you vote for? Do you look at national politics? Do you look at local policies? Do you look at the individual? Do you look at their past track record and what they've done for your area? Do you listen to the hopeful that's coming through and promising you everything? It's a tough one this time. It really is tough. And I think the community is really confused.
How many podcasts you have done?
I think I've done like 18.
18?
Yeah.
So which one is the most popular one?
Yeah, they were all unique in their own, they were all special in their own unique way. Some obviously, because I had a mixture, I had completely new people who were new candidates, and I had seasoned politicians who've been there for many years. So everybody was unique. A lot of the audience probably doesn't understand how the council house works. ये तो हम कह देते हैं ना काउंसिल साहब ने ये नहीं किया. We don't understand कि काउंसिल साहब को वो काम करवाने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है, किसे इजाज़त लेनी पड़ती है, किससे बात करनी पड़ती है. So I think these things were clarified and these things were opened up. But if you say to me who was the best, I couldn't say that.
Lastly, your message to the councillor and the voters.
The message to the voters is make informed decisions. Think hard, because जो सूरत हाल है Birmingham का इस वक्त, right? And the reason I started the podcast is I'm born and raised in Birmingham. और जो अभी सूरत हाल है is really really bad. So now, this is your choice, and it's your future, and it's your right. So make informed decisions. And councillors, if you're doing it for the wrong reasons, don't do it, man. Don't do it. इनके employer हम हैं. We pay taxes. We pay the salaries.
Beautiful.
So ये बात नहीं कि हम इनको accountable रखेंगे या हम इनको इन पे कोई सख्ती करेंगे, लेकिन at least do what you're being paid to do.
Beautiful.
And if you can't do it, then explain to us why you can't do it.
आपने आबिद खान साहब को सुना, इस टाइम बर्मिंघम के टॉप पॉडकास्टर हैं और माशाल्लाह इन्होंने एक ट्रेंड सेट किया है बर्मिंघम के अंदर. आबिद खान साहब, आपका वक्त देने का बहुत शुक्रिया. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग, गिविंग मी टाइम. किसी और पॉडकास्ट तक, किसी और वीडियो तक, किसी इंटरव्यू तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त.